Welcome. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment and then slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress. Repeat this a couple times, allowing your body to relax more with each breath. Let go of any worries or thoughts and bring your attention to the present moment. Begin to notice your body, starting at the top of your head and slowly moving down to your toes. Relax your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Let your shoulders drop and your arms rest comfortably by your sides. Feel the relaxation moving down your chest, your abdomen, and into your legs. With each exhale, let go of any remaining tension, feeling your body becoming more and more relaxed. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. Imagine that with each inhale, you are breathing in calmness and peace. And with each exhale, you're releasing any tension or negative energy. Let your breath be your anchor, keeping you grounded in this moment. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. The air is fresh, and you can hear the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant song of birds. As you step into the forest, you feel the soft earth beneath your feet. The path ahead is inviting and filled with beautiful sunlight. Walk slowly along this path, feeling a sense of peace and wonder with each step. As you continue, you come across a small, clear stream. The water sparkles in the sunlight, and you can hear the soothing sound of water flowing over the rocks. Find a comfortable spot by the stream and sit down. Dip your fingers into the cool, refreshing water and feel its gentle current. Take a moment to look around you. Notice the vibrant colors of the flowers, the green leaves of the trees, and the bright blue sky above. Allow yourself to fully absorb the beauty and tranquility of this place. Feel a deep sense of connection to nature and let this feeling of calm and peace fill your entire being. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing some movement back into your body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and relaxed. Take a moment to acknowledge any thoughts or feelings that may have arisen during this meditation. Remember, it's natural for the mind to wander. Simply acknowledge the thoughts and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Thank you for joining me in this guided visualization meditation. If you enjoyed this session, please like, share, and subscribe for more meditations and affirmations. Have a wonderful day.